Hey everyone, welcome to Play Hooky with me. My name is Roz, and yes, this is quite a mess, right? But I wanted to show you very quickly the three-step process that I've learned that makes this so quick and easy, and actually quite a lot of fun to do when you have to get to weaving in these pesky tails. And while I have your attention, I just want to talk about this little tool here, just a needle threader. You can get them anywhere pretty much, and they're very inexpensive. But I use this to save time also. Not necessarily with this yarn. I don't have as many problems with this. This is a Lion brand, feels like Butta, so it doesn't unravel on me very much. But I do have yarns that do, and I find this to be really helpful to just save some time, because you know what it's like sometimes. You're just wasting a lot of yarn and just losing patience with it. And so in the long run, this just saves a ton of time. Okay, so all we're going to be doing is we're going to be making 3 passes along anywhere that you decide that you want to weave in your ends. So I'm working on a corner to corner, as you can see, but it doesn't have to be a corner to corner. It can be any project that you're working on. My guidance, or my suggestion would be to just find somewhere where you have a thick cluster of stitches, because you can camouflage your yarn in there very easily here. And so I'm doing 3 passes. 1, okay, now I'm going to return, but just do it slightly different or differently. 2, and 3. There we go. And that's it. I'm calling that done. I'm not going in there anymore. I'm just going to clip that off and move to the next. So I'm just going to pick this fairly short piece of yarn here, or string, tail. And again, I'm going to go into this cluster here. 1. Find somewhere just a little bit different. 2, and then once again I'm going to go right over the top this time, go back in. 3, done, and move on. And the reason this works is because you're going in opposite directions 3 times. You don't have to do long stretches of this, just 1, 2, 3, done, and it's not coming apart. I'm going to count that as my 1. And 3. Let's go in there. There we go. And that's it. Okay, so that's it for me for now. I'm going to finish working on this. I'm going to pop something good on Netflix and just get focused. And as I said, it's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just 3 passes and then you're done, and move on to the next. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for playing hooky with me, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.